Labor Day deals. Get Nintendo Switch consoles at huge discounts. Labor Day is just around the corner, and there are a variety of deals coming across. Similarly, Nintendo Switch has also come up with a few amazing deals, as you can enjoy gaming bliss the most. So if you're looking for the best Nintendo Switch deals, Gat Insider has rounded up a few invincible deals regarding the Nintendo Switch Lite console and a copy of Animal Crossing New Horizons. So let's dive into it and find the best console for you. Nintendo Switch consoles. You can avail these deals now to get huge discounts. Nintendo Switch Lite Aloha Edition. Nintendo Switch Lite supports an amazing console which is efficiently tailored to cater to distinctive requirements, which is customized in an Animal Crossing network. It arrives with an adequate game installation of Animal Crossing New Horizons game, which is available for just $159 at Walmart instead of $199. Nintendo Switch OLED. The Nintendo Switch OLED is one of the best and enhanced versions of the top-notch hybrid home console, which features a 7-inch OLED display with an extensively adjustable stand, along with a wired local area network poured in a dock with 64GB onboard storage, available for only $348 from Amazon. Nintendo Switch Lite Hyrule Edition. Nintendo Switch Lite Hyrule Edition is currently available for pre-order. It will be a notable fit for you, especially if you're looking for an affordable gaming console. It features a Hylian crest on the back. Additionally, it comes with a 12-month subscription package of Nintendo Switch Online and Expansion Pack, providing you access to a variety of Nintendo games, only available for $209 at Best Buy.